All right. It is December 8th, and it's Friday, so I mean, shit, you see the P&L, you know what I'm saying? You see the thumbnail. We're up 180 today, and we only took one trade, and we did have a missed trade as well, so I mean, let's get into these trades. So, pull this up on TradingView because it's just easier for me to read these charts. Okay, so yeah, we have the pre-market high up here, pre-market low right here, and we opened up, kind of made like a big 15-minute range. I think it's just bigger than 10 points. Yeah, looks like 15 actually. So 15 points for like the 15-minute range. I mean, came up here, topped, came down to test VWAP again before coming and breaking up, and we actually had news here at 8 o'clock, which on where I get my news, it didn't say there was news at 8 o'clock. I knew there was something today, but I guess it was at 8 o'clock. And I mean, I didn't have any trade here at this time, but I was looking for a break of pre-market high turn to resistance, or so I mean pre-market high, so resistance turn to support, which I mean we broke out of it right here for the first time, and we came back down to touch it right here. So you see on NinjaTrader, like broke above 15-minute range and the pre-market high, came back down to retest it, which this was perfect. I was literally waiting for this, but it was like too quick for me, to be honest. I didn't even get in on it. Oops. So I mean, you see it's coming back down right here, touches it. I'm like, I'm waiting for the candle to close to see how it's gonna just to see if it like just bounces off the pre-market high. But and honestly, it just wicks it, and I don't want to buy in up here, just so I can have my stop like right here. I'd rather have like an entry right here as close as I can. So yeah, I was waiting for it to come down, and it just never came down, and just pumped up like, oh my, how many is this? Looks like 13 points. So all I need is 9 points really. I was gonna go. Well, actually, honestly, I thought about doing 2 point stop for this one just because it was so close. Actually, no, I probably would have done 3 points. So I would have looked for 9 points here, which I would have got. But you know, kept my head straight, and I mean, we pumped up here, but we never came to retest the 15-minute range. We only came to retest the 50-minute, or not the 50-minute, the pre-market high, which is right here. We never retested 15-minute range, which was what I was looking for right here. So, I mean, we came down and we were holding very nicely. I wasn't really looking to take it initially, just because we pumped up so much right here. I feel like the retest wouldn't be as good, but I mean, we were holding really nicely. So I decided to get in, and I got a little bit higher, but I mean, it was no problem. I mean, it didn't really come down, never really broke under here. I had a 3 point stop, so it was about right here, but it never reached it. It looked pretty good, and it was just literally straight to my profit target. Really got me. What was the time on this? 8:41, 8:54, 13-minute trade, or yeah, 13-minute trade. So pretty good actually. 9 points in 13 minutes. So I mean, I got 180 on that one. That was my only trade, and it was pretty good. I mean, I liked how it was holding, and I mean, so this was 840. So yeah, you can see the bounce. There, NQ and QQQ were also bouncing off the 15-minute range. So you can see this is 840. So they're both bouncing out here, and then NQ kind of has VWAP right here, so we're kind of like bouncing off of it. VWAP is a little farther away. Same thing with SPY as well. VWAP was like right here at the time, so everything looks pretty good for this trade. I liked how he was holding, so I got in, and worked out very well. I really wish I would have gotten this trade. I think because this is something new I've been looking at, and over the past weekend I looked at this a lot. So I don't know, maybe they're just quicker trades. Maybe if it just comes up, I gotta take it, whether or not it like looks good or not. But I mean, I'm gonna look over that some more this weekend. So yeah, this week was actually pretty good. I mean, we're 2 for 4. We won two and lost two, so 50% win rate this week. So I'm up 240. So actually looking pretty good. Nice 1 to 3 risk reward on both of my winners, and then obviously only had two losses, so a good win rate. So not bad with 1 to 3 risk reward. Not gonna lie. So pretty good week. And I mean, I have a little bit to look over this weekend. Obviously, look over my past trades for this week, and then I'm gonna back test some more with this first thing, like pre-market high and low. So yeah, I'm feeling pretty good. Not gonna lie. So I'll be ready to get back into it next week.